Vince, thank you so much. There is no bigger fan of New York Law School than Vince Carbonell. He is always upbeat and very, very supportive of everything, and particularly you, the students. So last year, of course, some people on the stage were here, but none of you were here. And sometimes, as you will learn, life can be sweet, and sometimes life can be not so sweet. And I say that because the medal that Vince was given just a couple of minutes ago here was awarded last year to another trustee who had a long service for New York Law School, a wonderful person. Her name is Kathy Grimm. And she's an alumni of the school, and she had a long and distinguished career with the New York City government in the area of education. And unfortunately, in February of 2015, and she got the award in May of 2014, Kathy got very sick very fast and passed away very suddenly. She, of course, is greatly missed, and she was a wonderful board member, a very warm and smart woman. And we decided on the board that we would do something to honor her memory. And so we have created, in her honor, a medal that will be given to people in public service every year at graduation. It will be called the Kathy Grimm Medal for a record of dedication to public service, and she was personified a record of public service by her work for the New York City Education Department. And tonight, for the first award, for the introduction of who would get that first award, I'm very happy to have on the stage and to present to you Kathy Grimm's wonderful sister, Barbara Grimm. And Barbara, will you come up, please?
Thank you, Arthur. It's my pleasure to present the Kathleen Grimm Medal to the Honorable Fabiola A. Soto, class of 1978. Judge Soto is the first Dominican judge in New York. She began her legal career working at Bronx Legal Service in 1978. She entered into private practice in 1980 and continued as a solo practitioner in 1982, running a general civil and criminal practice in Manhattan and the Bronx. During that time, she also presided over child support cases as a hearing examiner in family court. For almost 10 years, she specialized in the area of family court, working as an 18B attorney. In 1993, she was elected to the state judiciary, and in 2006, she was the first Hispanic appointed to the Court of Claims. Now a mother of 6, she started law school on a full scholarship with a 2-year-old at home. She gave birth to a son during the Christmas break of her 2nd year and sat for the bar while expecting her 3rd child. Judge Soto, please join me at the podium. For your distinguished career in public service, both as a practitioner and on the bench, and for your professionalism and leadership, it is my honor to present you the Kathleen Grimm Medal. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It is my honor and privilege to be the first to receive the Kathleen Grimm Award. I want to thank the entire podium and all the students for this honor and privilege that has been bestowed upon me. Kathleen Grimm was such a classy lady, a lady who was not afraid to give of herself, a lady who was able to take on roles that most women wouldn't, a lady who was able to speak her mind, who loved the law and loved public service in her heart always. Unfortunately, she is no longer with us, and I am just thrilled to be here in behalf of her and her memory and legacy. I, too, graduated from this law school in 1978, and it was one of the best days of my life. I have been given something that has propelled me for so many years. I've had the privilege and honor to be on the bench for over 20 years now, and it is one of the best jobs that I've ever had, best jobs in the world. It helps me wake up in the morning, it helps me go to bed at night, knowing that what I do for a living is justice, and I do consider myself a public servant. But you don't have to be a public servant to do public service. What does public service mean to me? Let me tell you, it is food for my soul. It is prayer in action. It allows me to give and receive at the same time. And I look forward to you also giving public service. What interests you? What excites you? How do you think you can make things better for the world? And as lawyers, you have a license, you have the tools to do this. You can contribute your time and energy into a lot of different things that will keep you feeling as a good lawyer, a good person, someone who helps and gives back. I look forward to all of your good works, and I know that you're going to make this world such a good place for all of us. Good luck to you. Congratulations, class of 2015.